rubbed in the air line from the line going from the compressor to the air dryer. The hood rubbed a hole in it.
Yeah, that's what happened to our truck, guys. And thank God we get out in the dock because we already back in there. Then suddenly our truck, it won't. What happened, Han?
It won't move because it don't have air pressure, and the automated transmission requires air pressure to put it in gear.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened in our truck. I don't know what's wrong with this truck. It's like it's how many mileage?
103.
It's only like 113,000. Ito yung customer namin. They are very nice here because they told us that we are good here. We can park here while waiting the breakdown service. Yeah, they're pretty nice here. So while naghintay kami ng aming breakdown service, nag-order ako ng Jollibee online, guys. Because malapit lang kami sa Rancho Cucamonga. Mga 5 miles away lang. Nag-order ako ng Jollibee. Thank you, Han.
Welcome away,
He's busy, guys. What are you doing there? He's not looking at the camera because he's doing something.
I am looking at our retirement account, see if I can retire next week.
Next week.
We only have 10 billion in our retirement account, so we still have to keep working.
I'm still waiting my Jollibee, guys. Patiently waiting. Tagal. Dugay kayo. Paulit-ulit na lang yung oras nag-change sa kanyang arrival. Kadina pag order ko mga siya mag-arrive 5:43, din now is ang arrival niya is 5:58 na. Paso na sa tao eh.
Isa's DoorDash is here. She got her Jollibee. Yay! Congrats, son. Did you get gravy?
Yeah, I get it.
The gravy's there?
Yeah.
All right. Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Glad you got your Jollibee.
Here's the gravy.
Oh, nice.
And I got one thing.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Got the peach mango pie too. Nice.
Ito na yung breakdown service namin. He got the, what you call the one, Han?
Air hose.
He got the air hose. Here's my Jollibee, jalapeno, and the gravy. Let's eat, guys. He is fixing our truck now. Hey, our truck is fixed. Thank you, sir. Yay, we are back on the road.